let us again rearrange our consciousness to get the things what really we need. What things we need? We need a knowledge. What kind of knowledge? We want to create something, but try to understand all kinds of knowledge. Knowledge how to create anything you decide is present in the form of head to toes, this visible structure, which is nearest of near. You see experiments demonstrated. We have created satellite, a rocket. We have created aeroplane. We have created many things. This is already visible. We were having imagination that we want to talk you with no time, no space. Suppose that somebody at the corner of the east and west, other persons are at the corner of the north and south, and you are in the center of east and west, center of north and south. From there, you can connect all persons same time. It means whatever we were having desire to reach everywhere with no time, what we imagine, we got it done. With the discovery of internet, when we use a smartphone, when we use computer, the same time we are able to send messages, same time we are able to talk to anyone. Then head to toes what we feel, it is presence of knowledge of all kinds, how to create anything. We have knee joint problems, we want a knee joint replacement. How to get it? In external laboratory, you cannot make exact knee joint what you need. You can create that knee joint within your body. You can create bone and muscles. You can create lungs and heart. You can create digestive system. You can create head to toes each and every part within. This kind of knowledge is present in the form of head to toes, but we want creative principle, means creative elements. Just like as we have to create wall, then we need cement and brick, we need sand, many other things. Whatever things are needed to make a house, in the same way you should think, whatever material we need to create our bone and muscles, to create a heart and lungs, to create digestive system, to create eyes and ear, the all material creative principles is present within head to toes. Moment we know the science of creation, then we know how to preserve it, how to maintain it. The power of maintenance is manifesting in this form head to toes. But we want to change according to need. You can make a change also. Then power of creation, preservation and change is having three technical terms, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Try to remember it again and again. Head to toes, what you feel is a visible presence of knowledge of all kinds, what we are seeking life after life. Now let us try to understand what we live in society, that this is good person, this is bad person. Try to have company of good person, leave bad person. This is called complete ignorant philosophy. Each and every human being's visible form is presence of complete unit of knowledge and power of creation, preservation and change. Then who is bad person? But that person was bad. He was calling names. He was using vulgar language. And he was hitting. He threw a stone and I got stuck. All those things remember. But try to understand, try to find out cause behind it. What is the cause behind it? If try to say that someone is bad person, you are not good, you are very bad, your intelligence is bad, you cannot do anything in the life. Moment you have this kind of talk, that person will have stress, that stress will do something There's something we call it inhuman behavior. What is the root cause of inhuman behavior? Is not realizing the truth that each and every person is presence of complete unit of knowledge and power of creation, preservation and change. Try to understand this and spread this message. You will find war will stop, fight will stop, argument will stop. And this is principal philosophy of Kriya Yoga science. And when you practice, that practice is called Kriya Yoga meditation. Not only this, that human being is very wonderful and is unique creation. Try to select any creation, any electron, proton, atom and molecules. You can select a dry leaf of the plant. You can select any structure, anything. But remember or realize that each and every creation of cosmos is having the same property, visible presence of knowledge and power of creation, preservation and change. But in order to dig out this truth, which is present everywhere in all creation, is very tough. The Kriya Yoga science explains, select head to toes, nearest of near creation, select your existence. To find this truth is very easy. When you concentrate on head to toes, you will find easily that head to toes is presence of knowledge and power of creation, preservation and change of anything. Whatever you imagine, you can create it. Therefore, from today onwards, criticize no one. From today onwards, never practice likes, dislikes. Try to do this practice, concentrate on head to toes. When our complaint will reduce, will become zero, then you will know the science of how to connect other person. Let us come to the point. When we select our own self, how to love it, how to accept it. Let us have an example. If I am sitting, let us imagine that, okay, my one leg is very numb and this numbness I don't like it. Then what I am doing, I am just trying to just do little movement and massage. I don't like it. This is greatest mistake. Try to love all kinds of numbness. Whatever you feel, try to love all kinds of stiffness, all kinds of relaxation. Never say it is not good. Suppose that you are sitting 1 hour, 2 hours in lotus posture. After that, when you start walking, you can't walk. Now this posture is locked. Even if you are not able to feel it. No problem. Never say it is bad. Try to appreciate this stage. If you want to walk, no problem. Slowly, slowly, try to take your leg away. Then just wait. Try to move it. Try to touch it. Try to press it. Move slowly. After a few minutes, you will start walking. When you say, this numbness is bad, this is a dangerous condition, never say it. Let us think like this, that we are walking 1 hour, few hours. Then what we feel? Oh, my thighs and calf muscles, I never walked before. Today I walk 2 hours. I feel heaviness, I feel changes. I don't like it. No, you have to like it. Or let us pray to the God. God bless me that I should not feel tiredness at all. Then keep on walking 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, and many years. If you are walking, you don't feel any tiredness, then there will be dangerous stage. You don't feel any changes in the body, changes we do not like. What kind of changes? It is there, this is there, that is there. Oh, I don't like God. Bless me that I should not feel changes at all. There will be dangerous condition in the way, dangerous condition of this kind that you cannot hold knowledge in this visible form. You cannot materialize knowledge of all kinds in the visible form, in the form of head to toes. What is the important points you should remember? From today onwards, keep on increasing awareness, concentration on head to toes. Keep on feeling it more and more. All kinds of changes what you feel within. Try to appreciate it with all devotion. That yes, I want you. I welcome your presence. Never have complaint. Moment you will have complaintless life with the self, then you will know science how to connect with everybody without any illusion, without damaging self, without damaging others. With this brief message, let us stretch all parts with double inhalation. मुंह से 2 बार में श्वास निकालते हुए सब ढीला कर दे। फिर से दोहराएं। अब क्रिया योग ध्यान में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें। लेट अस बाउ डाउन टू आवर डिवोशन इन क्रिया योगा मेडिटेशन। अब बैठेंगे हम, आंखें खोलेंगे। Now we will sit and open eyes.